If Steam is showing error 126 and you're seeing a message like failed to load Steam Overlay DLL, don't worry, because this is usually caused by missing files, antivirus interference, or corrupted graphics drivers. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's start with the easiest and most common fix, which is verifying your game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that is causing the error, then right-click it and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to Installed Files and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game files and replace anything that is missing or damaged. This is important because error 126 often happens when one of the overlay files or supporting files is missing or corrupted. Once the scan finishes, launch the game again and check if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is your antivirus. Sometimes antivirus software blocks Steam files by mistake, especially DLL files, which can trigger the overlay error. Open your antivirus program and look for protection history, quarantine, or detected items. If you see any Steam-related files blocked or removed, restore them immediately. After that, add your entire Steam folder as an exception or exclusion inside your antivirus settings. This helps prevent Steam files from being blocked again in the future. After making those changes, restart Steam and test the game once more. Now, if that still doesn't fix it, the next step is updating or reinstalling your graphics drivers. Corrupt or outdated GPU drivers can absolutely cause overlay and loading problems in Steam. If you're using Nvidia, go to the official Nvidia website and download the latest driver for your graphics card. If you're using AMD, do the same from the AMD website. For the best results, perform a clean installation so the old driver files are removed properly before the new ones are installed. Once the driver update is complete, restart your computer and try opening Steam again. Another fix that can help is running Steam as an administrator. Sometimes Steam needs elevated permission to load certain files correctly. To do this, close Steam completely first. Then find steam.exe on your computer, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. If this fixes the error, you can make it permanent by opening Steam Properties, going to Compatibility, and enabling Run this program as an administrator. This can help prevent permission-related issues from coming back. If you've gone through all of these steps and Steam error 126 is still showing up, it may help to reboot your PC one more time and make sure all Windows updates are installed. In some cases, system file issues or pending updates can interfere with Steam Overlay loading properly. But in most situations, one of these fixes, verifying the game files, checking antivirus blocks, updating your drivers, or running Steam as administrator will solve it. So to quickly recap, start by verifying the game files, then check your antivirus for blocked DLL files, update or reinstall your graphics drivers, and finally run Steam as administrator. These are the most effective ways to fix Steam error 126 and get your game running again. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.